Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss about the printed text scanner project. This is one of the applications of OpenCV and Tesseract. Let's start by the data flow diagram, DFD, of the project. Context diagram tells what the project does generally. The project does 6 things. It captures image, and that's the input from a user. It selects the ROI or region of interest, and this is the input from a user. It also does pre-processing of the image. It performs OCR or Optical Character Recognition. It displays the text as output to the user, and when the user chooses to save a text, it will be saved. Now, level 1 DFD. That's the breakdown of the process or details. It all starts by a user who captures image, and the image is stored as JPG, and then the image will be loaded again, and when the image is loaded again into the memory, the user will be allowed to select the region of interest. Then the selected region of interest will be cropped and will be pre-processed. Pre-processing means converting it to grayscale, applying thresholding, and removing the noise. Then OCR will be performed to extract text from that region of interest, and then the extracted text will be displayed to the user for the user to be to make sure the extract text is what they want, and then there will be saving of the text if S is selected. Okay, before we go ahead, let's look at the code. We have the function to select the camera. We have the function to capture image. We have the function to select a region of interest. We have the function to pre-process image. We have the function to extract text from image. We have the function to overlay text or annotation. We have the function to generate a unique file name, and we need to the function to save text. Also, the function to extract text and display, and another function for cleanup and exit. Then the main function where all of these will run. So let's go to the details. This is the first functionality, that's camera handling and image capture. It's done here in that function capture image. That's we use the function video capture to start the camera, and then frames are displayed, and a user is given instructions. For example, a user is asked to select the region of interest or to quit if they want. Then this function will handle camera jamming, and if a user have to exit from this window, the window will close. That's what's known as releasing the camera resources. This is the second functionality, that's selecting a region of interest. This is what we do in the select ROI. In select ROI, we have this function, select ROI. We will crop or extract specific area, and the cropped or the selected area will be validated. It means if you select an empty area with no text, you will be warned that you selected an empty area. This is the third functionality, preprocessing the image. It's grayscaled, noise is reduced, and it does thresholding to make sure the text is more readable, and it will ensure the accuracy. The fourth functionality is done here. The function extract text from image takes care of it, and this is what it does. It will use pytesseract, that's the Python version of tesseract, to extract text, and it will do some cleaning of that text to make sure it has a format of a text. Okay, this is the last functionality, and it's made up of different functions: extract text and display, save a text, and clean up and exit. In this functionality, we display text on an image. It means the extract text will be displayed, and there will be a creation, the creation of a unique file name, and the text will be saved, and then there will be a cleaning to save the memory. If there are temporary files created, they will be cleaned up. All right, this is what was done in this project. We looked at the code already, and let me tell you that you have this code uploaded here on our GitHub account, so do not worry, you have this code. Yeah, so let's run the code. Here in this folder, printed text scanner. Let's run the second file. The first file is to scan a printed text from image, like this image. So we don't need this. This is a part of this second one. So let's run the second script. Why do I have to select the camera in my case? Because there is a camera I am using here to show my face, and there is another camera attached that we are going to use for scanning. So that's why I have to select camera, and I am using a camera with index 0 to show my face, and I'm going to select 1 for scanning. Okay, I actually want to select that text. I press C, the step 1, and as the step 2, I am going to select the region of interest and then press enter. I selected the region of interest, I press enter. This is the selected or the extracted text. Then I press S to save, and I can check time. It's 10:35. There is a file saved at 10:35. This one. Let's open it. It's here. Okay, so it's done. We can scan a text. That was it for today's lesson. Let's see each other in the next lesson. Bye for now.